To make ratatouille for 1,000 people, you will need a large quantity of ingredients. Here's a general recipe. Ingredients: 50 kilograms of eggplant, 50 kilograms of zucchini, 50 kilograms of bell peppers, 50 kilograms of onions, 25 kilograms of tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Wash and chop all the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. 2. In large pots, heat olive oil and sauté the onions and garlic until they become translucent. 3. Add the remaining vegetables to the pots and stir well. 4. Cover the pots and let the mixture simmer over low heat for about an hour, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Continue cooking until the vegetables are tender but not mushy. 7. Serve hot as a main dish or a side dish. Remember, these quantities are approximate, and you may need to adjust them based on your preferences and the availability of ingredients. Happy cooking!